Hello, my wonderful family. I'm Sean again, and I've only been on the island one day since my return, and boy, it is just breathtaking. You know what? I feel like I've been taking this island paradise for granted, and it took me moving to the US to realize that. But being back on the island, I'll do that no more, and I'm excited to take you all on this exciting journey. Thank you for being here and enjoy the show. So this is day one in Portland, Jamaica, and I had some delicious ackee and saltfish for breakfast. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and I promise you in return, I'll bring you some enjoyable content. Alright, you don't subscribe yet? Come here, watch. Let me show you how I found this breakfast right here in Portland. We just wake up back and like me tell you, we're in the Portland right now. You see me I say?
I have money virus. Don't go the name, I don't have the money.
Your money virus. Oh, your friend with the money. Yeah, I know.
And Sean, this
Yeah, I know.
Yum.
Introduce yourself to my camera.
I am Sean again.
Sean, yeah, Sean.
Sean, madness. Tell me, man, not about me no bad.
Oh, but Sean, this
So
one.
what is this we're looking at?
This is yam. See, vine,
Yeah.
yam.
Oh, the yam fine.
Soft yam.
Yeah,
this is vine. So,
what kind of yam that?
me go dig it. Old bush renter.
Okay.
See, yam.
More I find
This is yam. This part can catch back.
What's
And
a
grow.
yam piece?
Then call it a spring yam here. This can catch.
Oh, can you use that and plant? Like
Yes,
I
plant
can
this and the catch.
Okay.
I am this. But probably I dig this to find a big yam and this right there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, man. You dig it still, but you don't see that. See how more, yeah?
One of them plant in a bush
I know why you plant them.
where people got store go buy
See me? You run up in a
elephant ears and bear things.
You run up in a tree there.
See if I grow up in the tree there.
Oh, let me dig this already. Alright, see how this one dry down, yeah? This one, ready. You see dry up?
You even see them. So how are you identifying
Yeah,
them?
because I'm born and growing, I know them, man.
Oh.
Where I go and blade? Where I bring food, righty? Okay. Righty, so you want
Lessons.
my granny make your food.
You see her from there?
Yeah, I will cut it. I sorry, see this.
This is I want some
Seriously?
recipe. Oh my God, I'm so
Seriously.
excited about
Bush
all
seriously.
these herbs.
Seriously.
That's
Mm. So, I have some breakfast we I sort out right now. We'll go down on pot. We'll go look some ackee. What we are going to eat the ackee with, I'm not too sure yet.
Rushing? Pay attention on your step. Stand the camera.
So I make a chat now. You see the road now? See, cause rain fall, it kind of slippery. And see, virus, I say even if rain don't fall, it's still slippery. You say I go catch bird? It's alright, that's so slippery, so you have to just watch your step. Try to find the rock them and step on them there. Virus, come like you drop down this couple times. Come like you drop down this couple times. That track out. Like a slide and drop.
We need to find out. We're gonna find out. So she better wait for me. Come in.
What a fence, sir? Alright. See there, what that fence here where I go.
Oh, you can't walk on like this one. You can't walk. But you know, can't come in, but you can't do it.
I mean, you see the fire this fire?
You see?
Watch it.
What it spoil?
So Ackee there, no spoil. No spoil. I was spoil Ackee.
Rain, man. When too much rain, Ackee no like rain, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, Ackee no like rain. Yeah.
Never know that.
When the rain and fall, it lasts long. But once it rain upon it,
Eh?
Ackee up in something there, the water.
So when is the best time for Ackee grow?
Ackee no best time.
Grow all year round?
Ackee grow right through here.
Eh?
When the best time for you find it.
So you find Ackee already?
Ackee we are spoiled. Ackee we are, if it drop off or not a drop off, you know.
What?
You can't catch me, man.
It's Ackee, yeah?
Keep off there, man. I need to Ackee there, son, man. Ackee there.
So, I live here, sir.
Bad on that.
What they are do there right now, but you say nobody don't live here right now.
Then dead. I don't bad on that. It's yours right now.
The family,
Here, that, yeah, no bad on that.
the family gone to town and find.
People live in England.
See there?
Them money.
They're not come back, I say, man.
Why, so you have a baby face, my baby not used to
That me I tell you. But I don't know how to get it up now, I mean.
Man, not want me yet. Oh, yeah. Me see it, man.
Yeah. You might stop some Ackee here. You have Saltfish already, I'm buy already. I mean, I didn't pick some Ackee already too long too. So yeah, yeah. And I can't pick enough when you can get some. Fish freeze.
Eh?
Boy, don't freeze.
That's nice. Now when I go up though.
No, enough to do.
Let me drop out there.
I'll put one next year then.
When I drop out of the pod.
I'm gonna run. You to read about that song? I can't see that it's just the royalty guys. I think rain mess up my father.
So when rain falls, the Ackee get left?
Spoil quick.
Oh, it's spoiled.
You get soft and rotten quick because Ackee not like water. Alright, that kind of thing now, I like with country. You can just walk and pick and nobody have no problem.
Right.
But they are told I'm going to get made.
Right.
Okay, when I spoil man. Soft out.
Yeah.
Rat. Ackee, Leo, Ackee.
Jeez.
You see my when I leave that stuff?
Uh-huh.
That's why everybody pray them and I like push.
So I'm not going to come pick Ackee.
So, right across, I'm leave the cross over there, so.
Uh-huh.
That's where the yam there.
But
Back on me.
when I smell like goat there, man.
Yeah, man, you go and sleep us all night. The goat and control the yard now, nobody there.
No.
Alright, Ackee master. I get up at the door.
What? So much you find already, huh? No, this. Them just spoil. But to Ackee I will find. I'm still I find more Ackee around here, so. So, yeah. Some more, yeah. I think no brush it in the virus.
Brush teeth up what's that, man?
Here this a blood clot, here. Here this a one I want.
Beer we use brush teeth, brother. Why not beer your teeth then shine and glisten?
Ay!
No.
Alright, this I will just come up and pick up. And start pick. I want to say more drop I'm gonna find it. See some right there, so.
So in case somebody else come, then can't get two, right? Oh, that's so. Yeah, somebody else come and get two. That's supposed to do anyway.
A piece of spoil. Up there, so. Only put Ackee drop out of the tree, man. I say the Ackee plenty. I'll spoil Ackee drop out of the tree. Yeah. I have enough Ackee fish here around the bag.
You can't cook off for them one time. Tree cooking Ackee. Well, when we have a fire, you get already alright to cook.
Listen. When I'm there yard, when I'm there abroad, and I eat Ackee and Ackee me have to eat. So right now I'm grateful.
You know, say,
My
from the tree.
My belly bag happy.
From the tree.
Straight from the tree to the pot, to the plate, to the gut. And from the gut to the what? Yeah.
Oh, see back there. You want to take them out of the bag?
Much Ackee you have, yeah? One Ackee. One Ackee. Yeah, man. Boy, I wish some breadfruit there, but yeah, wish some breadfruit in there, but we can't find a breadfruit. But you say, you have somewhere else where I'm going to check out if we can get breadfruit. So I'll go down there and see if we can find a breadfruit down there. So. Conch? Soup? You know, so I never eat nothing other than conch soup. You get a chance to eat conch. Take them out?
We'll be a waste of it now. Be a waste of it now. We don't want that. Come before we then pick everything on the come get me.
Man, you see when I eat the tin of ackee, I know so much ackee I get.
A flock of ackee that thing man. Then I read stuff. You see 119? I want when I open let them put in there.
That tell lie.
Alright, you know.
That tell lie for
People come buy ackee and I want when I open them buy. So me know. People come buy they are 100,000 ackee them buy. But they want to don't me, it's just full. Because they say export, they might export it. So that means they have to be 119 or split it and take it out. But probably they want to last longer. I don't know. But
if you know what me know you said price here.
No go so man. No go so. Because when I open them, man them buy all the while. Any amount you have, that, but they don't want to open. So nothing can go so. Unless I export them or export them. So nothing can go so. Rotten.
Miss me by an inch. What this rotten to know? No, no rotten. Yeah. One goat. Oh, don't you say I go?
Yeah.
Alright. So, ackee bag, yeah? Let's take a look. How much ackee you find? Yeah. That is it. So, alright. But I say I jump over the gate, you know.
Give me the camera, I'm sure I'll come over.
But
Come rush, you're come on, brother.
mm-hmm.
Let me find this, step on the gate and take out this. Good? Yeah, tell him. Put them in food.
Oh, God, that's so steep, I'm gonna jump over. What go so one of them there? That the right on the edge of the ocean. Oh yeah?
One hotel them make out. Yeah, one hotel them make out. Edge of the ocean, right from the rock to there.
One piece of them land they forgot buy. I make hotel out there too. When you know I invest in one hotel, all I put together and make it pull up an hotel on the ocean.
And place top side up on me. You go, anytime you see me, in Carol, you have show. We have tongue and back down so.
Yeah man, I could invest in a hotel people. And we'll make some money. Yeah, just up on the ocean. I want one of them there too, you know. Before the ocean them run out, you know. Yeah, there are 5 breadfruit trees. A breadfruit tree plenty, man, look there. Look one breadfruit tree. Over there, sir. Some more on the right there, sir. Behind that way over there, says breadfruit tree again. Yeah. Breadfruit tree there up there, sir. And one more there behind that up there, sir. We must find 2 breadfruit.
What?
Apple.
Just a blossom now. Just a blossom.
Apple tree, yeah. A long time I don't eat them apple, yeah. Yeah, 1 year I don't eat my apple, yeah.
Yeah, it's the best food we're going to dance at and tree.
But for us, I see one nice piece of breadfruit to pass up there, sir. Alright, so you can climb the tree one. I'm not climbing the tree, but I fling off it. You believe it? Oh, yes, that's just nice and beautiful. Like my ideal backyard. Some of them things I want tonight. I want some breadfruit tree. I want some ackee tree. Some mango. I want to climb up in a mango tree and pick mango. You see it? I them things them like.
Yeah, it's one nice one now. But
Breadfruit, eh?
a long time I no climb, I don't know if I can climb.
I don't know if I can see that.
You know if I can reach up there, let me see. But the banana breadfruit. Like 51, but 51, but
Virus?
yeah?
Yeah, you can't drive in, but we not tell you if we go up there.
Look.
Yeah, we not tell you if we go up there. 500 boy out of road.
Breadfruit, alright, that's all.
Gosh,
I'm in a busy body dropping up.
I let you.
I saw to stop. It's sudden stop where you stop on the ground, so. That's the problem, but on night breadfruit.
Yeah, man, I'm one up there, man.
You must see 7 man with blood clot, I'm sure I get it.
Yeah, because I man, I have one long bamboo there, I don't know when teeth is from.
You go pick it in, man.
Yeah, man, I was telling you, every corner you come pick.
See them, they're clear.
Yes, send them, just send them.
Clear as the day.
No, man, I don't have advice of the client. That one nice pick you one up in the night there again.
What are you reaching?
Eh?
You have to feel this thing, that's not what you're reaching.
Oh, this stick can't reach you at all.
You think you can go there now? You can't.
Virus.
Clear on your son,
I
man.
hear you not time breadfruit you are
Clear on
doing.
your son. Look where else look.
Virus.
Virus are all facts for a long time.
Yeah.
You can't say you want it.
1, 2,
Right.
Virus say I'm gonna climb the tree right now. I got chattings in the pond. Virus now climb nothing. Chattings. Yeah. I jump and can't recover.
Hey, now this year, I mean, I know.
Hey, but,
No far about you, Joe. Yeah, Andrew, can't come back. Alright, sir. Yeah. Breadfruit tree. One more round, step on it right behind.
yeah, you say I'm gonna go climb.
You know what?
Cha, what you say? Give up already? If you just start and give up, you can't do them things in life, you know. You have to stick it out a little longer. Because sometimes if you stick it out a little longer, you realize it get easier.
So that you drop off.
Yeah. You can't just start and give up, man. Only for people do them things in life and end up not going nowhere. Like the thing them just start, them give up on. You stick it out, man, I swear it will bring.
That part, they're too slidey.
If you go road there, you find one of them boy, man, they send them back. When you come to beach, me as
Let me see because we come pick it, but
Step, man.
then you see right now. You
Yeah,
want to act fast.
Yeah, man, we come pick it.
But
And you're not glad to come pick it to carve breadfruit, you don't want to.
yes.
Papa, what you know, watch him, he me wait for him.
Yeah, look for
You see, put the one up there.
that pretty one there.
Yeah, tell her. Look for it, straight up. See? And I need to leave me. Big and pretty.
The one that's straight up
Yeah,
there, you see?
Oh, yeah, we up there, sir.
Right. Well pretty.
Can't see that.
So I know someone not glad to come pick them car.
Right up there, sir. Now,
Straight, just look straight.
Where is stick up?
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Straight up.
Nice man, but boy.
I'm managing, you know me.
Me and my lady are saying no best, so no, we don't go,
Never
but.
get you again. You can't turn last on it.
Yeah. What you say? Left the other one, not you?
No, I think it's the one best friend.
Yeah, we don't get.
you're at there, sir.
Yeah, man, alright.
We'll see you at there, sir.
Can I still in there?
So still up on a quest to find some breadfruit for eat to the Ackee for breakfast. We're heading down the road in hopes to find some, so come with me.
Run him. Yeah, my banana tree. You see that? Like say, virus find some breadfruit on our part or so. But look for breadfruit.
You see breadfruit that's all ground?
Huh?
Breadfruit that's all.
Alright, you're not ready to take up here. Alright, this is breadfruit.
Yeah.
This is breadfruit. Breadfruit.
Yeah.
What
Alright.
do with breadfruit?
Brush it.
Whatever, yeah. We roast, we fry, we boil. Alright.
Alright.
We make chips and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How about this name again?
I climb on this.
Jumbling.
No, it's not
This is
jumbling.
star fruit.
Star fruit.
Plum.
Natural stuff.
I climb my father.
Huh? Yeah, I climb on. Alright. That is the climb, alright.
Climb.
Oh, Claw.
Jump and try coffee.
See,
So far, try to next tree.
you chop them on.
That is Shati.
Yeah. Me?
You're shotty?
Shati. AKA Big Up Pro.
I do pork, chicken, fish, and lobster at Boston every day.
You lie.
Yeah, I
Oh.
roast breadfruit, sweet potato. Yeah, name it, fried plant and stuff like.
First of that.
Leo, yo, see, boy, I want to go to head.
Man, want to see what go on.
You want to go to head.
Watch your head, watch your head, watch your head, watch your head, watch your head.
Sorry, I got to tell you
Leo,
more.
If shooter just drop out of the tree.
Yeah, breadfruit, just come off the tree. This
Yeah.
Charles,
is natural stuff.
Charles, come here.
Yo, man, you want to talk this up?
No, you pick your eat, me no. Oh. Me no eat, me no know them.
Right, you need to
I say,
This is
Alright,
natural
look now.
mystic.
Rush it, look.
It's real plum.
This is it plum now.
Natural.
What is his name? Star fruit.
Star fruit.
Star fruit, I jump in the rope
No,
and
Jimbling different,
no,
man.
Different thing, that?
It's a little
Yeah,
bit
man.
of something. Jimbling.
Jimbling round, man. Jimbling. Shame it, look, you
I
see?
tell you, say you only jump in the rope and call this.
Oh, and a Jimbling is my Jimbling different. Me know Jimbling, man. Star fruit.
Respect, father.
Jelly, Jelly. Jelly said, look, you can't
Yeah,
cut
man,
the water down the road, you said.
people uncle tell you jelly them.
Yeah, man. Me uncle live in a yard and say jelly down the road.
Yeah.
Don't I joke saying
That's
that?
all that sound like a bus.
Natural stuff that, yes.
Send that young man.
Eh.
Natural
I
stuff.
know, man. I grew up eat that, man.
Alright.
Star fruit. I don't know. I feel like I jump in and call me a ton.
No, it's a jimbling. Jimbling has to look for something, man.
No, I see him. Jimbling was boiled Jimbling.
At all.
Ask Chewy.
At Kingston.
I tell you, say this to call jumbling.
Jimbling, that man.
Maybe I know jumbling. I tell you, say that and call it as a ton.
Rushy boy, nah, see that bother him.
in my book,
It's something like he dropped or something or
The star fruit or star fruit.
Behind the
yeah,
plum.
that him actually say nah, see what I was.
Alright, you taste
Say my
it.
area.
You know what, man?
You
You go one eye on my tree. In front of my yard.
Alright.
Rushy probably
In
just
the New York, in
give
Here I
the
know.
process.
You see? Portland people and town people, call the things them different.
I know Portland town alone.
Only place.
Different name than all things.
Alright, yeah, different.
A star food, then call them over something.
Yeah, different.
One minute.
Take good chance.
It tastes like jumbling and star fruit. And you want to call them.
What do you call this fruit?
You can ripe a door.
Star fruit?
Yeah, me have right on the tree, man.
One up in the head. The one in the head have more color.
More color, yeah.
Yeah.
Sweet eye. They more sweet. I think more rabbit.
A bitter.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, bit.
With fruit. Yeah.
No lime. No lime, no so much.
Eh?
Everyone. White cream.
Young and broken.
Yeah, some funny have ample pressure on it, so you know they can't answer.
One broken.
Shall I roast on ya?
You go roast that one.
So we have breadfruit to eat to
Let's
that.
fuck up this one, yeah.
On the side of the road there right now, there's some conch. Look at conch soup, I just saw it on. See that? Tastes good too. Now what's time I know about Miggle Day? Miggle Day and I hot sun there I drink conch soup. It tastes good though. Miss them thing I miss can Walk go down the road and get something to eat and them things. Which part of them can that harass. Yeah. Well, me them can't do that, man. So miss we can do them thing there. So we have Ackee, we have breadfruit. We'll go down the road, that's right now. We'll get some planting. Watch out. I plant that? What was that green planting? Think I right plant there get.
You can't find right plant on farm. You have to cut that and put that to right.
Watch out.
Yeah? And just the right plant and cut it, put it to right. You have to put it to right, put on right.
Then you get some banana then, man.
You can't right banana neither.
No, right banana. Green banana, more.
Okay, it starts right, okay? Alright, but I need to take off right.
Oh.
40, I forget that.
I got the boil on. Boil this.
Boy, you can't put down right, you can't fry boiled porridge after that.
Alright, no time soon, man.
No, you talk to man. Just take off a couple of syrup up in a newspaper, 2-3 days and right.
I true that people. Man say you can't find right plant pan tree. You have to pick it, make it ripe, true?
One bunch of plant can't ripe on tree, brother.
You don't want to know about that.
Buy 2 ripe, brother, eat that blood clot. And lizard.
Yeah.
So, why are you feeling to ripe? Eh? Why are you feeling to ripe on tree then?
You will right, Mr. Man.
Mr. Why you not do it?
More be a farm, you come from feed up money, just for your money, more be.
Doc, where you going?
Where are you going?
Come.
I'll go back up, go cook them now. Watch out.
You see, you ripe seed that ripe one already, you see? You pick off it.
Where's that?
Oh,
Ripe
pick
one.
off the right one.
Well full.
Oh.
You see ripe already?
Yeah.
Pick off the right one right there, so.
Yes.
So we got plantains, we got breadfruit, we got Ackee. Oh yeah.
We have rum.
Cheers, huh? Jesus, peace.
We are going to take up a fire. Kick up a stamp.
And kick up a stamp.
Chocolate.
Chocolate, you pass up?
See that again. Our next lane down there, so. I know the tree down there, but for a long time I not check for him. You know that this year. Hey, it's easy for walk come down here.
For what, go up? And you go up with things? Alright, talk, man.
That me I tell you. But you reach where you start, but later.
Yeah,
But you
have things away down. But, them things are good for you, man.
So that's just me fit and move also.
Them things are good for you.
You see right down there? I shine by come. I just used to catch water from you and stand there into there. To up on me yard. Whole heap of trip, back and forth. Whole heap of trip. 10 trip. Back and forth. Yeah, man. With 2 cake.
I didn't even brush my teeth from morning in the day road.
Yeah.
Virus, I saw him do it in Portland.
Yeah, we know I run my beer and so we brush teeth.
Jesus, please.
Brush teeth the toothbrush when you go out for occasion.
Yeah.
But if you're not going nowhere, you get one hot beer and you get rum.
Jesus,
and teeth shine and pretty and bread fresh.
You hear that?
What else you want?
I'm going to brush my teeth though, I can't do this like you know.
So now keep up.
Virus is serious. See all the slidey part there, so? The slippery part? That's not good to go back up, you know.
We'll stop and take a 5 again, then we'll move off again. One gun and go.
Yes, sir.
Everything is cool now, we take a 5. Let's take a look at 5.
Alright, so I'll take a pause.
This is what it is. I rush your baby, I mean, it's stuff okay.
I'm going to back on the baby weight down.
Yes, you're probably not like that.
And your movement.
You see how me a blow?
Virus! Come like me first, I blew like a girl ago.
I'm telling you this boy. You see right now, I with the plant and everything. You're hot man, you can't put him on that fan.
You know, we'll pause and take a break because I'm long. I hope this we are going on further.
pray for getting reach out.
I go up there and further. So I take a break. Yeah, I just tell you this is a good thing, man.
Oh, well,
Which part where I come from? Where we live, we now make them movements, yeah.
I found out the house in your vehicle. Out your vehicle
Vehicle to wherever you go. I'm back in your vehicle and to your house.
Yeah, man, everything.
They've put on weight and I need to drop some of it.
Well, there are a couple days that happen, boy. I want to do that.
Need 10 pounds down. So, this is my work.
Tired. Ready to make a chat again, though.
Can't stop reach up.
Alright, come in.
Again up tree there.
What?
Them tree there today. Again up. Now it's August. Sometime there. July, August, September.
I'm a little boy.
Again up tree too.
I'll climb and climb them tree there now.
Again up tree. Alright. You see grape tree, not about Jamaica grape. Grape like that.
Eh?
Yes, I treat it. Yeah, different from grape America. This 100 times sweeter than the grape America.
Oh, yeah, sir.
Yeah, grape tree. You have a grape, but then of course. Yeah, when we try and show you now picking.
Lord, seed.
Grape.
You see this a trader?
So what's up?
That trader a serious business.
We have one grape, but then alright. You see? You have one with a grape, you see?
Yeah.
You have one
The
grape.
grape there?
Yeah.
You say a Jamaican grape this.
See, I say you have this one. You have one grape.
I don't know if you can see them now.
This is Jamaican grapes.
Yeah. They are well nice.
I'm trying
Most of my mother is a car me.
to... Can't let them on the stick and get them on.
Yeah, man.
Yo!
The thing is serious. Feel like me live for something I find an easier way to do it though.
Son, what that's?
Cause I just thirsty.
That's one space. We just left one without a bar there. Yeah, but just left one there.
It's a piece of grape.
Yeah, me I go now go.
See, I grape this.
Take something, take it.
Job.
Yeah, me go to the road there. Wait a minute. You know, so Ackee, yeah, breadfruit. So we are both right now go.
I want to section.
How far are they?
So apparently, apparently this is a grape, but it's a green.
Jaja.
Alright, I'm going business then, man, because yeah, I nearly would have walked about.
So apparently this is the grape.
Yeah, we check in. Yeah. Alright.
First. So those are the grapes. Are you sure they're grapes or not just call them grapes?
Rush them with them, man. This is a grape, Jamaica grape. Google Jamaica grape and look up and the same thing you see.
Alright, we're gonna go.
Look like it tastes bad.
What tastes bad? This nice and grape up for it. But you have a big seed in front, inside of it. Yeah, man.
Alright, come in.
You have a big seed and a look up run the seed. American grape now, most of them like come like a sauce of grape or two look up with a sitting there. But this one, 100 times nice than American grape. I really think that's a because it's green and nice of fruit, nice and young.
That or no after Jamaican grape, I don't know about it. How long can tell me? Alright, going again. Try it again.
Up, you see that? Up the valley there where I go. Up the valley where I go. Remember, you have to be careful of the guys. Miss Nama. Boy, it's Chad. Try that. You know, normal. Yeah. Yeah.
Sour badge. Oh, sour badge on him. Yeah, this name sour badge.
So I'm not jumbling then.
No, jubilee the over. I think over bless them. Yeah, but this one looks similar like the name sour badge.
Oh, that round man.
Yeah.
See fruit I never know about.
Yeah, you know similar. But jubilee the one yard over so.
But I said more fruit I don't know about now. And jelly water I know. When we reach up there so.
Alright, to start off with tree there. You have a young one. Yeah.
But I remember when him start up.
It's an apple red, like purplish.
You have two. You have a white one, the clear color one. You look same like I look when you ripe.
Uh-huh.
I have one that you ripe, you look black like purple. But this one I black one. Alright, so
Okay.
the tree there so. That tree there right so I'm sure you am.
Uh-huh.
White one.
Oh.
I see one more tree there so. That's a white one.
The wood and the wet man.
Then you have me now. One day I'm going to dig them so you can see. We'll find it now then. I'm going to dig them.
Alright, we'll make it. Yeah. You tired now? Alright, so we have breadfruit roasting right now, and Virus inside the house I cook the ackee. It's been so long, and I mean so long since I had breadfruit. And you know, growing up I didn't like breadfruit. It's later in life I started liking breadfruit. So the food ready, and we have ackee and saltfish and roast breadfruit. Boy, me did miss some of them food here. Although I usually prefer my breadfruit fry, the breadfruit did soft and nice.
No.
Rushy never wastes no time. She mash up hers and lay there and lie down like couldn't give me some. Anyways, the food was absolutely delicious, and I'm looking forward to eating more of the foods that I miss eating growing up here in Jamaica. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I can't wait to bring you some more stories of us back in Jamaica after 3 years away. Remember, liking the video helps the channel a whole lot, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Also, share it to a couple of your friends that you think would love this content. Ashan again, I'm gone again. Next time.